If you spend a lot of time on the internet, then you know that a lot of online platforms make you look at advertisements before you can proceed to the website. What if I told you there's a way for you to make money by just clicking on these ads? That's right, all you have to do is click on the ads and you'll get paid. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this online platform to earn money by clicking on ads. And later on, I'm going to show you how you can earn even more money using the same platform. Now before I show you how this website will give you money for clicking on ads, I'm going to show you proof that this website is legit and is worth your time. If you go on over to the payment proof page of the website, you can see the payments that people are getting every day. As you can see, the people that are getting paid come from countries all over the world. This means it doesn't matter where you are or what your country you're coming from, this website will still work for you. Now before we continue on with the video, I'm curious as to what country you guys are watching from right now. Leave a comment down below as to what country you are watching from so that I will know where my viewers are coming from. Now the website I will show you today is PTC Share. Wait, don't make the mistake of going directly to PTC Share without finishing this video. You can try to figure it out on your own, but you might get confused on how to navigate the website or how the website works. If you watch this video, you can save time and energy trying to figure out how it works, and also if you don't finish this video, you'll miss out on the opportunity to make even more money on this website. Now PTC Share is an online platform that will allow you to earn money for watching or clicking on ads. Even though PTC Share is relatively new, the members have already earned almost $500,000 for just clicking on ads. Yes, all they did was just click on ads. It's so simple. It doesn't require any previous experience and it doesn't require any actual special skills. And most importantly, no hard work is required. All you have to do is click on the ads and in a few minutes, you have earned money online. The best part of using PTC Share is you can use it for free. You won't need any money to get started using this website. PTC Share is secure because of their high quality security system that protects your information. Sustainable because every day there are new videos you can watch, and transparent by making all transactions on their platform traceable. Another cool feature that PTC Share has is that they will reward you for simply signing up on their website. They will give you a welcome gift of 100 BAP in your account. Now BAP is PTC Share's currency, which acts as a point system. You can later on exchange BAP for money. The reason why they can give you money for watching ads is because of the ad revenue. Large advertising companies pay websites to put their ads, and a lot of these companies pay per certain amount of views. So when you view an advertisement online, you're actually helping the website earn money. Now what PTC Share is doing is giving you a share of the ad revenue in exchange for watching or clicking on ads on their website. It's a win-win situation for everyone. You can withdraw your earnings with Perfect Money, Solid Trust Pay, and Payeer. Now as a quick disclaimer guys, the amount of money you will earn from using this video will vary. Sometimes you'll earn a lot and sometimes you'll only earn a few dollars. So make sure to watch each and every second of this video so that you can maximize your earnings. To start making money with PTC Share by clicking, you need to make an account. To do this, you're going to open up a web browser and head over to ptcshare.com. Once you have arrived, scroll down until you see the purple Join Us Now button. This will take you to the registration page. When you're on the registration page, you're going to fill in the necessary information. So first enter your username and create a password and re-enter your password. Then you're going to type in an email address you would like to use to link to this account. Now a really quick suggestion right here guys is that you can actually create a new dummy email account to register on this website. That is because some websites like these tend to send promotional material into your email, and these promotional materials might end up flooding your email and you might miss some important emails because of this. I personally use a dummy email and I recommend that you guys do it too. You must enter the right email address because you will need to verify it later on. So make sure you enter and re-enter the right email address. Next, do the CAPTCHA and agree to the terms and hit the create account button. After this, you'll receive an email to verify your account. So just open up your email inbox and click on the link given by PTC Share to verify your account. Now you can log into your PTC Share account and begin making money, and once you have logged in, you'll be taken over to your dashboard. Here you can track your earnings. On the top left, you can see your current balance. Since your account is new, your balance is going to be 0, but we can change that real soon. Now if you scroll around your dashboard, you'll also see the different bonuses you can get. It's a little more money in your pocket, and that's always nice to have. So to start making money by clicking, you'll first need to click on Earn. The drop-down menu will pop up. Now you can either click on View Ads or any available options to make money. For today's video, we will be focusing on earning by clicking, and to do so, you'll need to choose View Ads. PTC Share is going to show you different ads which you can click on so you can make money. And as you can see, it's not a lot, but that's why you need to stay until the end, so I can show you how you can earn even more using PTC Share. But if you just click on these ads, you'll still be able to get a decent amount of money. Besides, all you need to do is click on it, right? Again, it's not going to make you rich, but it's a really simple way for you to get extra money into your pocket. All you need to do is click on it again and again, and eventually the money will add up. Now here's a different way for you to earn by clicking on PTC Share. Now to start, you'll need to click on the Earn tab again. However, you'll now choose the Click Grid option. This feature on PTC Share will help you make money just for clicking. So after loading, it should look like this. Here you can see people who have recently made money using the grid. You can win up to $10 on each click. So this is how the grid works. You'll choose one box and each box contains an ad. These ads can be skipped after a few seconds, so it won't take you a lot of your time. So you can click on each box and finish the ad, and you'll have a chance to get up to $10. Even if you don't get $10 after a few boxes, what you will make will add up. And all of these boxes can be clicked on for free, so you won't need to pay for anything. If you are tired of clicking on ads, here's an alternative way for you to earn money using PTC Share. Now if you click on the Earn tab, you can see more options, not including previously discussed options. You can see there are survey and video options. So if you have the time, you can answer some surveys to get some money. You can also watch a few videos to get free money. But both methods require you to spend a lot of time to get your money. So I don't really recommend you use these two methods, but you're also free to try it if you really want to. But the last way to earn money on PTC Share, which I recommend, is the Refer Friends option. To start, click on the Refer to Friends option on the drop-down menu. This will bring you to the PTC Share referral page. Now if you don't want to spam your referral link to your friends and family, you won't have to. I have a great way to get a bunch of people to use your link, so stick around for that. So if you look at the PTC Share referral page, you can see that you'll earn 3% commission on what is earned. So when your friend used your referral link and made $100, you'll get 3% of what your friend made without doing any work. Now imagine you have 50 friends who used your link and each of them made $100. Now you have just earned yourself $150 without doing anything. Now let me show you how you can maximize your profits using this referral option. If you scroll down a little, you'll be able to find your referral link. Now this is your very own unique referral link. So if someone registers an account using your referral link, you can get a portion of whatever is made on the account. Now I want you to select this link and copy it to your clipboard. Now you can share this link whenever you want. You can promote it through email, write about it on forums, you can even share it through text messages. But these methods will only reach a few people. What you really want to do is reach a huge audience, and I'm going to show you a few ways to do that. So the first place where you want to share your link is Quora. Now the reason why you want to share your link on Quora is because Quora has hundreds of millions of visitors every month. Literally millions of people use Quora.com, which means you have potential to reach millions of people as well. So if you don't know what Quora is, it is a website where people ask questions about almost anything and people will answer those questions. So say for example, you search for easy ways to make money online. As you can see, there are a bunch of different people who are asking questions on ways to earn money online. Now you can answer these questions with, hey, you can sign up for this platform where you can earn money online for free, and paste your referral link so that people who want to make easy money online will register using your link. Now when people search for this question, your answer will be seen and they will also see your link. And because Quora won't delete old answers, people will be able to see your link even if it has been posted days, weeks, months, or even years ago. Now you can reply to as many questions as you want. Just make sure that the topic of the question is making money online. There are hundreds and hundreds of questions related to making money online, so there is a really huge potential for you to get people to use your link here. You can also change the keywords in your search so that you can find even more questions. Alternatively, you can also share your referral link on social media, so platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or even YouTube. And everyone has a social media account, so this means if you make a post with your referral link on it, there's a large potential for people to use your link. But since a lot of people post on social media, your post might get lost with the many posts by other users. To avoid getting your post buried, I recommend that you find groups that are interested in making money online. So say for example, you want to make a post on Facebook. So to find groups interested in making money online, just click on the search bar and type in make money online or similar keywords. Next, you want to filter your search results for groups. Now this is going to give you a lot of groups which have a bunch of members who are interested in making money online. So what you can do now is join groups and make a post in each group on how you can make money online using ptcshare.com and then paste your referral link at the end. Since members of the group are interested in making money online, you will have a high potential for people to use your link. So all you have to do now is start sharing your link and watch as your PayPal account gets filled in no time.